What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. And we're back in the building, people. And from the title, you see what we're doing today. Today we got Najeeriii, GOON. Let's get it. Yeah, man, Dan Mafia was good. Yeah, man, people, we back in the building. Guys, yo, I just want to take this moment to say, yo, clap yourselves. Yeah, man, clap on yourself. Yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support y'all been giving your boy. You feel me? Y'all been active in the comment section. Y'all been active with the likes. I appreciate all that shit. We're growing. The stats are looking good. The analytics looking good. I appreciate y'all. I just want to ask y'all to please continue with this love and support, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, definitely go ahead and drop your comments in the comment section and drop the emojis. Let me know what you want to react to next. And as I said, if you ask me to react to something and I do it, I'm gonna give you a shout out. I'm gonna post your name up somewhere on the screen right here. You feel me? I'm gonna show all the comments, give you a shout out and all that. So definitely, you want to comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, what you want me to react to next, what you like, and definitely I'll give you a shout out. You'll see, as y'all see at the beginning of the video, I put all the scrolls of the comments. So if you want to see your name up there, go ahead, drop a comment, son. Let me know what you're active. Yeah, man, people who got a banger to the phone, no. Today, man, from the title, see what we're doing today. Yeah, man, this artist named Najeeriii. You see me? Vanilla, yeah, the vanilla. Yeah, man, bad artist, man. Dog been doing this thing for a minute, you know what I'm saying? Been on the underground, you know what I'm saying? Been coming up slowly, but yeah, man. Dog drop more and more bad tune. Drop a tune, I think, a Vanilla, Gift Yard, or Sin Trap. You see me? Where he's just like the flow is crazy. He's talking about trapping, but the flow is just crazy and he's just doing his thing, bro. Like he's definitely on the up and coming. So I'm gonna bring that with on today. This Najeeriii, GOON. Yeah, man, we're not gonna be vibing much longer, guys. And as I said, take this time, drop your emojis, drop some comments, stay active in the comment section. Trust me, giveaways and surprises coming soon. You see me? I ain't gonna hold up the vibes much longer, alright? So this is Najeeriii, GOON. Let's get. Make sure you got your drinks, your spliff, your water, whatever it is, so we can all have your popcorn, all of them things there. You see me? Yeah, man, this is Najeeriii, GOON. Let's get it. Yo, now if I hope so this song I still know me now, I lie. You see me? I got big hopes for this song, because this man flow is just crazy. And guys, is he from Jamaica? Cause way man do him thing different, bro. It's just a style. I heard him there, man. I heard him come from, man. Dog name Clarks, Jamaican flag in the background. But this is what I understand, right? Why, like, he be dressing in the African attire and shit, you know what I'm saying? I know we come from here, but, you don't see much yard people beat it, so it make us look different. That there bush house. You see me that? Do you
Big rubber like Bob.
Hold on. This nigga flow. The way even when the man talk. Is he from Africa, bro? Cause he always got the African flag in everything. Just like he got family from Africa or something. Or I mean, we all got family from Africa. We are Africans and shit. But you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Is he directly from Africa? Come to Jamaica? Does he live in Jamaica? Have family in Africa? Or he just knows about the culture and just like, pull it off that well.
Big rubber like Bob. Can I bumbo clad chop?
Fully hard, man, this man.
Yeah, that.
Dog just be pulling off like Africa look crazy.
I see.
You know what I'm saying? Fully hard, man, this man. Yeah, man.
Me back a go na she lift up a foot pan the remit ladies ellie if I check his color yo nanny me all out new but me check it run a so cash it send it limit message press it Betty Mola yo check it.
Nah, man, stop before that. I had to drop it before that beat drop, bro. I know that beat drop was coming, bro. Like, we need to take it from the top, cause I need to hear what this nigga's saying, bro. How y'all feel so far, bro? Y'all didn't even hear nothing, but do y'all hear what I heard? That's the vibes when man I come with, bro. This shit, man. You want to go there, shit? Man, GOON. Now where they the girl might take over like bad red enough first, then take over Taliban. But book a bad girl, Taliban. Oh, they might take over the GOON. Hey, the girl them now play man, so. Be a bad girl there run. Come in.
Me back a go na she
Bumbucker. Big rubber like Bob. Can I bumbo clad chop, man?
They say no akka in a chop. They say no akka in a chop. Akka as in hack or actor. No actor in a chop.
Yeah, that. I see.
Me buck a GOON and she lift up her foot pan the remit ladies ellie if I check his color yo nanny.
Me buck a GOON and she lift up her foot pan the remit ladies. Get off you not come in.
Me all out yo but me check it run a so cash it send it limit message press it Betty Mola yo check.
Say you run a so cashy. Prezi Betty Mola. This nigga be dropping lyrics. I just be thinking this nigga just saying anything, bro. But the nigga be making sense.
Make your catty probably suck off your cocky. Yo, Maggie, animatic cashy bossa.
I say too cashy. Probably make your catty suck off your cocky. Hey, Jaja.
Roll a clip. Anywhere the shotty pine slug up proof panic brutally. Nukes my the passage and me crow by me. Fogassy. Me got it all pa me. He big lucky chip me cracky pin and it a short of it.
Me got it all panny. Big lucky toad. The jabby pin and jabby. Let me short. Hey, this nigga got lyrics, bro. And you can't really catch it in all in one go, bro. They real shit. Hey man, body off.
Where the shotty pine slug up proof panic brutally. Nukes my the passage and me crow by me. Fogassy. Me got it all pa me. He big lucky chip me cracky pin and it a short of fish.
Me got it all panny. The glacky pa me. Hip me cocky pin and them. That full of lyrics, man. That full of lyrics. Like, I keep pausing it, but this video gonna be man 20 minutes long.
Copy row, gossip, prezi, copy new college, guitar drop a fish in a the ditch, me family go savage. She say the receipt, now me inbox this gal. He say she believe, now me flips and flip gal.
She really receipt, now me. She send the receipt, now me inbox this gal. Say she believe in, now me flip. Hey, I love it.
She say me tease and me kick spot. Make she selling the beast, what she did cap big pot. We get in the meal, I will split that crib spot. We bet in the trees, probably gift top sips, chang drinks, get the weed and the split rap. Rich on me.
Sit chang drinks, get this weed and the riff rap. Oh, I'm doing them, bro. Get this split on the way drop, bro. This nigga flow different, bro. For me to break down every live line, this nigga say it's gonna take a minute, bro.
Damn, I'm a bitch bad. He chop a higher on me second chop charge, my bad. Got a client office saying one bank yard, my god. Grab a giant cash, he check contacts are my walk. Cash it Benz, I pretend that's NASCAR. No pop.
Hey, but I have a client who have send bank card, yo, my god. I have a client who have love take contacts. Man say, yo, Cashy Benz act like a NASCAR. I'm tuning.
Piali tag, so smarty have his up from Cashy grab a bank yard with damage that he chopper choppy.
Man say, yo, reality bad, so somebody have his sad.
One bank yard, my god, grab a giant cashy check contacts are my walk. Cashy Benz, I pretend that's NASCAR. No papi ali tag, so smarty have his up from Cashy.
You say no papi ali tag, so somebody have his sad. Even dog na Alistair, I used to love Alistair in high school, no that.
She grab a bank yard with damage that he chopper choppy in a habitat. Bad bitch a sell her back as me have a cop. Bang magician, rabbit from me hat. Me hold a batter, me and Cashy rabbit how we ran. You just a maca must comic na the comic can bugs and the ratchet and glocks.
Must a maca, must a comic in the comic can. Hey, they better than easy that.
The collisions chop stuff in the lock spot. The scabby girl can't get cocky from pop.
No scabby girl can't get cocky from Bob. You're mad. He's in that Bobby dog name.
The man swag, then drop it and love. Girl, if you pum fat, you get lashes and bags.
Girl, if you pum fat, you get lashes and bag. Easy now.
Grab her like bag. She said the receipt, now me inbox this girl. She said she believe, now my flips and flip girl. She said pay me tease and me kick spot. Make she selling the base, so she did cap big pot. We get in the mail, I will split that. Clips pop, we bet in the trip.
Say yo, me I sell the beast, why she a beat cap? Hey, them youth here, no man. Them look a young youth here, no man. Them outside, you know, out here without fear, and I love it. Them youth are brawling, them attack, yo. Man attack how them live and them attack it brawling. You see me, cause there's no in hell you gonna sit down and say you make up them lyrics or that. Yeah man, you do it man, you just come natural man. Yeah man, then youth are outside fully man. You see me.
Bitch probably give top sips, chang drinks, get you weighed and it's spliff rap. Me and me team and me pitch bad. Me buck a GOON and she live up her foot, panny remit.
Me I'm a team, I'm a bitch, but I'm telling man, easy, you know.
Easily, if I try this color, yo, nanny. Me walla, yo, but me Jackie run us, oh, cash it, send it, me message, press it, Betty Mola, yo, check it, oh, cash it, a catty, probably suck off, yo, cocky, to.
Oh, cashy, to them.
Oh, Maggie, he mati cashy, boss a roll a clip. Anybody shotty pines, like a pro, panic, bro, tell it, yo, man, it, pass it, me, pro, by me. Oh, gassy, me got the old pa me. Ra,
riba,
Rock at that tonight, time, them, man. Dog, yeah, it just ever put you in there, dog.
Jaja. Lord clean. Dog, who that dog chargy? Rest in paradise to a real load. To St. Ferg, easy, man. Dog, big up in Bridging. You know what I mean? Mad thing. Rate that. Bumbleclad. People, only thing about that, that's Najeeriii. GOON. Dog. Talking about me even get real mistake. I will speak words with all man world. Yeah, man, only thing about I want to drop no comments in the comment section. I don't know what time it is. And definitely, you know, if you like it, let me know. You see me, and maybe drop in the comment section what's your favorite part. What's the lyrics, video, the artist, flow, beat, just the overall video itself. With it, you know, while go on in the video, I ain't gonna lie, this is a bad song. The dog got flow mad different. You see me? And the dog, people pulling off that African look crazy, man. The thing with that being is the cheeky and shit, the little hat and shit. You know what I'm saying? Doing this thing, man. Rate it, man. Najeeriii. Your flow different, your beat choice different, you have your beat choice different, flow different, you have a career in this music thing, bro. You see me how I say? Just want to stay focused, stay on the part, keep doing your thing, bro. You see me? And I expect more great things from you, you know what I'm saying? And definitely people, let me know what you think about this one. What was your favorite part? You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you want to see more videos like this and I'll definitely get it done. Let me know what you want me to react to next and I'll get that done also. You don't know what time it is. And if I choose your video, I'm definitely going to give you a shout out. You don't know, put your name up, all that stuff. You're going to see the comments at the beginning of every video. You already know what time it is, guys. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.